Hello dear children, welcome back to your MSc online class. This is your story, The Injured Swans, and the value of this story is kindness to animals. Children, I have explained you half of this story in my first video and remaining of it I'll explain you today. So let's start. Siddharth held his hands out to the injured bird, calling softly to calm it down. He held the bird tenderly in his arms and waded out to the river bank. He calmed down the swan and then gently pulled the arrow out of its wing. Using a stick for a splint and a strip torn from his clothes for a bandage, Siddharth sat and bound the wing of the swan. Meanwhile, Devdutt came running up in search of his arrow. He too had seen the swans from a distance and had decided to practice his shooting skills on the beautiful birds. "That swan belongs to me," said Devdutt. "I shoot it, not you." "No," said Siddharth, "it belongs to me. I saved it." "Very well," said Devdutt. "Let us go to Guruji. He will tell you that the swan is mine because it is my arrow that hit it." They took the injured swan to their teacher. The Guru heard Devdutt's tale and turned to Siddharth. "Well, Siddharth," asked the teacher, "what do you have to say?" It means Siddharth placed his hand near the injured bird and gently to calm it down. He held the swan bird tightly in his arms and kept it along the river side. Then he gently shot the arrow out of his wings, and using a stick and bandage, Siddharth set swan's wings. Meanwhile, Devdutt came running in search of his arrow. Seeing a group of swans there, he decided to practice his shooting. Then Devdutt said to Siddharth, "This swan is mine because I shoot it." Then Siddharth says, "This is mine because I have saved his life." Then again Devdutt says, "Okay, we go to Guruji. He will tell whom it belongs to." Both of them take the injured swan to their teacher. Gurudev heard the story of Devdutt and turned to Siddharth and started asking him, "You have something to say?" बच्चों, सिद्धार्थ ने अपने हाथ को घायल पक्षी के पास रखा और उसे शांत करने के लिए धीरे से पुकारा। उसने पक्षी को अपनी बाहों में कसकर पकड़ लिया और नदी किनारे रख दिया। उसने हंस को शांत किया और फिर धीरे से तीर को उसके पंखों से बाहर निकाला। फिर उसने एक छड़ी और पट्टी के माध्यम से हंस के पंख को सेट करने की कोशिश की और उसे बांध दिया। इसी बीच देवदत्त अपने बाण की खोज में भागता हुआ आया। उसने वहाँ पर हंसों का समूह देखकर अपने निशानेबाजी का अभ्यास करने का फैसला किया। देवदत्त ने सिद्धार्थ से कहा, "यह हंस मेरा है क्योंकि इसे मैंने मारा था।" तभी सिद्धार्थ कहता है, "यह मेरा है क्योंकि मैंने इसकी जान बचाई है।" देवदत्त कहता है, "ठीक है, हम गुरुजी के पास जाते हैं, वो ही बताएंगे कि ये हंस किसका है।" वह दोनों घायल हंस को अपने शिक्षक के पास ले गए। गुरुजी ने देवदत्त की कहानी सुनी और सिद्धार्थ की ओर मुड़ गए और उससे पूछने लगे, "तुम्हें कुछ कहना है?" Devdutt heard the swan, said Siddharth, The swan was doing him no harm. It was swimming on the river looking so beautiful. Why did Devdutt shoot it? I will not let him have it. He will hurt it again. I have cured it, so now it is mine. Guruji smiled when he heard what Siddharth had to say. The swan belongs to Siddharth, he said. If Devdutt had killed it, then it would have been his, but now since it is only wounded but still alive, it belongs to Siddharth. Siddharth has saved its life and cared for it. Devdutt has hurt it and sought to destroy it. Nobody can own a living being except the one who loves it. So the swan remains with Siddharth. Devdutt was furious. He stamped off in anger, but Siddharth only smiled. He had saved the swan. He looked after the bird till its broken wing was mended and then released it back into the river. Siddharth grew up to fulfill the prophecy of his birth. He became a great sage among the greatest of them all. Siddharth became Gautam Buddha. It means Siddharth told Guruji that Devdutt has hurt him. Swan was not doing him any harm. He is just swimming in the river. Siddharth said, I will not give this to Devdutt because he can harm him again. I have saved his life, so now it is mine. Then Guruji smiled and he said the swan stay with Siddharth because if Devdutt had killed him, it would have been him. But Siddharth has saved her life and took care of it. Therefore, swan will remain with Siddharth. Devdutt was very angry, but Siddharth was just smiling seeing him. Siddharth saved Swan's life. He continued to care for her until her wings were healed. And one day, when he was fully recovered, he left it again on the river. Siddharth grew to fulfill his birth predictions. He became a great sage who became known as Gautam Buddha. बच्चों, सिद्धार्थ ने कहा देवदत्त ने हंस को चोट पहुंचाई है। हंस उसे कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा रहा था, वह तो सिर्फ नदी में तैर रहा था। देवदत्त ने इसे बेवजह ही मारा है। मैं देवदत्त को उसे दोबारा नहीं दूंगा क्योंकि वो उसे नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है। मैंने इसे ठीक किया है, इसलिए अब यह मेरा है। गुरुजी सिद्धार्थ की बातें सुनकर मुस्कुराए और उन्होंने कहा, हंस सिद्धार्थ का है। अगर देवदत्त ने इसे मार दिया होता तो यह उसका होता, लेकिन अब चूंकि यह केवल घायल है, इसे सिद्धार्थ ने ठीक किया है तो यह सिद्धार्थ का है। सिद्धार्थ ने इसकी जान बचाई और इसकी देखभाल की तो ये इसी का है। देवदत्त ने इसे चोट पहुंचाई, इसलिए हंस देवदत्त के पास नहीं रहेगा। देवदत्त को बहुत गुस्सा आया, लेकिन सिद्धार्थ उसे देखकर सिर्फ मुस्कुरा रहा था। उसने हंस की जान बचाई। वह उसकी देखभाल तब तक करता रहा जब तक उसके पंख ठीक नहीं हो गए, और एक दिन जब वह पूरी तरह ठीक हो गया तो उसने उसे नदी पर छोड़ दिया। सिद्धार्थ अपने जन्म की भविष्यवाणी को पूरा करने के लिए बड़े हुए। वह एक महान ऋषि बने जो गौतम बुद्ध के नाम से जाने गए। So children, we should also love animals like Siddharth because animals also need love, care and protection. Animals should not be disturbed because they also feel pain and happiness like us. Animals are our friends. We should not tease them. So children, this was your explanations. I hope you understood this lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.